Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jake who lived in a small village, far away from the city. He lived with his parents, his little brother, and his wise old grandfather. Jake's grandfather was respected by everyone in the village. People often came to him for advice. But Jake had one big problem. He was very lazy. If he had something to do today, he would say, "I'll do it tomorrow." Then the next day, he would delay it again. Day by day, his work piled up, and soon Jake was filled with regret. Even at school, it was the same. While his friends moved forward, Jake kept falling behind. His father tried everything, scolding, giving advice, but nothing worked. Finally, his father asked Jake's grandfather to help. The wise grandpa thought for a while and came up with an idea. One evening, he called Jake and handed him a small black stone. "Jake," he said, "this is no ordinary stone. It's a magic stone. If you rub it against iron, the iron will turn into gold. I'm giving it to you for just one day. You can make as much gold as you want. But tomorrow evening, I will take it back. You have only 24 hours. Use them wisely." Jake's eyes lit up with excitement. "Wow, a magic stone! I'm going to be rich," he told himself. "I'll go to the market tomorrow morning, buy some iron, and turn it into gold." It was already evening, so Jake decided, "Let me eat and sleep now. I have plenty of time tomorrow." He went to bed, dreaming about all the gold he would make. The next morning, Jake said, "There's still time until evening. I'll have breakfast first." After breakfast, he felt sleepy again. "Let me rest for a while. I'll go later." He lay down and soon fell asleep. When he finally woke up, the sun was already setting. Jake jumped up and ran toward the door to go to the market. But as soon as he opened it, Grandpa was standing there. Grandpa quietly took the black stone and said, "Your time is over." Jake's eyes filled with tears. "Grandpa, please, give me one more chance. Just a little more time." But Grandpa shook his head and said, "Lazy people achieve nothing in life. You had a full day to make gold, but you wasted it. Time never waits, Jake, and now your chance is gone." Jake stood there with his head down. He had lost a golden opportunity, literally, because of his laziness. From that day onward, Jake made a promise to himself. "I will never waste time again. I will use every moment wisely." Lesson: Jake had 24 hours to complete a task that would take just 30 minutes. But he kept saying, "I'll do it later," and then time ran out. Just like in real life, we delay our dreams, waiting for tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. So if you want to do something, do it now. Time does not wait for anyone. If you value your time, time will reward you. Give your tasks a deadline or tell yourself, "I'll just start for 2 minutes." That small step will push you forward.